Man, shawty.
Trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab.
YouTube, what it do? Your boy Spank with the GP, man. G by the Spanker, built by Spanker, man. Back with another one. It's Friday. Y'all see I got the work outfit on, so yes, I just pulled up to work, man. About to get this. Well, it actually ain't my last day, because I'm coming in tomorrow, too, for about 4 or 5 hours. Doing a half a day today, too, man. On the weekend, I don't do nothing but half a day, so when the overtime got down call, man, I got to get it, because that's the only way I'm going to get these old schools running back. Tomorrow, man, when I get off, I think I got a couple parts coming. I got my third tail light on the way. Hopefully that more will be here tomorrow, and we'll install that and shoot that video. But if not, we'll just say this clip and put it together with something. We're going to do something, because, you know, every weekend I do something to the old school. So we're going to see, man. Only time I tell, man. But you know what's happening, man. Until then, like, shit, man, I need a haircut too, man. That's where I'm gonna go. That's where we gonna go too, man. We probably go there Sunday. Yeah, we gonna go get the haircut Sunday. I'm gonna let y'all ride me Sunday. Me and Dude go get the cut. We gonna go do that too. But in the meantime, I'll catch y'all boys on the rebound, man. Y'all girls on the rebound, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn your notification bell on, because you know we coming with the heat, man. You know we coming with the bangers. Make sure you subscribe to my brother page, man. Both of them. Bout Chevy Reggie. Keep a Chevy Reggie, you feel me? Bout Chevy Reggie, keep a Chevy Reggie, man. And we gone, dog, like that. Good morning, YouTube. Last day of the job, man. It's Saturday, so you know what that means. Good old put in that work day, baby. It's cold as fuck out here this morning, too, boy. That morning shit, boy, that when you catch that extra drip, man. It was so frost on the windows and shit when I got in the truck this morning, man. Shit, boy, I hate to see what December gonna look like. Yeah, man, we going to work after we got done, get our work. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Just let the barbershop YouTube. Pulled up on the oak. White ghost tripping, got to see what's up with the battery, but shit. I'm trying to see what all I'm gonna do this week today. I'm about to start on that. About to go on clean. My pop finna get this stuff up out of here. I'm finna go on snap the seats out this joint. Get this carpet out. I'm ready to see what the flow gonna look like. I think I'm gonna have to do a little repair. It kinda look like I see the flow pan and then they add it over there too. I ain't for sure, but it look like I'm gonna snatch all this out. Start wailing that. My partner gonna come handle that for me. Shit. Order my carpet. I don't know where my boy Case at, man. He probably can't start on the body work. He ain't come hit me up about the body work. I ain't tripping, but the show must keep going, so go ahead and snap my seats and stuff out like I said. Order my carpet tonight when I get to the crib. Hit Case up too, see what's up with him. If not, shit, I'm gonna hit my boy Mainer boy up. I already hit him up anyway and got him on standby. I'm just trying to see what Case is gonna do. Case was gonna go on and get me right real quick. Mainer, he got more cars than Case, so you know he work at the shop, so Case is doing it at the crib. He was gonna do it here at this crib. I'm gonna have to get this nigga John. He got a nice little work I'm gonna have to do. That's why I ain't wanna give it to my son, man. I'm gonna have fun with it, building it. But I know he ain't gonna have as much as I would. get a little work done. About to do my carpet. Put the rotors and brakes on this junk. Shit. Might fuck around, go ahead and pop the hood for y'all. Might fuck around and go ahead and put the take the motor out this junk. We might go ahead and go snap this on up, man, too, while I'm at it next weekend. Take that to bruh house, wrap it up. Shit, might set, I might keep it for another project, I don't know. That motherfucker that run hard too. I know what that motherfucker that do, but I don't want the convention. Gonna LS this thing. Gonna start on that firewall. See, I'm doing it. I'm telling y'all everything what I'm finna do before we even take this out. You know what I mean? Start on that firewall. Get that straight. All that right there down now. See that little lip right there? I seen people having trouble with them headers when they do their little swaps. So I'm gonna beat all that there. Everything what I think gonna be a problem. Right up on that firewall and whatnot. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let in and then respray everything back up on the hill black. I don't run my damn cable. I ordered that. I don't run that shit.
Trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dabbing. Trapping and rapping and dabbing. Trapping and rapping and dabbing.
Sometimes I said I was gonna do that.
Bitch, I'm trapping and rapping and dabbing. Trapping and rapping and dabbing.
Take this
Trapping and rapping and dabbing.
do that, spray
Trapping and
that.
rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dabbing.
Got down. Carpet. Seats. I still need a driver's seat too, man. Anybody got a driver's seat, man, let me know, man. Jump down the comment. Follow me on IG, Spank It with the GP. Hit me up in the DM, let me know. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you got them cowboy boots. Look at this nigga, man. This nigga got this shit in my car, man. Thank you, Casey. Now I can finally see in here again, nigga. Yeah, y'all, we finna go on here and start working on this. Y'all be seeing this on the channel more often now. I know y'all been wondering what he gonna do with the Cutlass. What he gonna do with the Cutlass? Some people, the new viewers and whatnot, they probably don't even know about the Cutlass. I ain't seen the Cutlass yet, so here she go right here. We call her Cardi B. Y'all know the white one. If you don't know what that is, that's a Grand Prix. That's an 87 Grand Prix. We call her Glow River. It's the 85 Cutlass. We call her Cardi B. You know what I mean? Two bad bitches, you know? Too bad. That's why I say I gotta get the Rigger name. Y'all gotta guess what the Rigger name is. I'ma let y'all guess. Yeah, this how we coming, man. I really wanna go and get this body work started. Throw some slight paint on her. You know what I mean? Gonna put that temporary paint on her. Cause next year around this time, both of them getting redid. Cause same thing, I'm doing the same process next year. We doing whatever I ain't do this year. And then we're gonna soup everything up. Know what I'm talking about? Y'all catch my drift, y'all catch my drift. Yeah, she a bad motherfucker. She ugly right now. I know y'all gonna jump down the comments and say that motherfucker ain't even all that. She ugly right now. I take that, I get that. But wait till y'all see it. Wait till y'all see when I get done with it. It'll be like a totally different car. How we always doing. Buying ugly like this, I ain't scared about no ugly car. Been buying them ugly all my life and transforming them. So I know how to transform them now. In my time. that boy. Yeah, man. Y'all drop down the comment, man. Let me know. Y'all got any ideas what I need to do when I do get the motor out, far as internals and whatnot, what you think I need to put in it. Let me know. I know I'm gonna go with the 9-inch rear end, 4 rear end. I'm gonna put that on here. I'm gonna redo it, the suspension and all that too. But I ain't in the rush for all that right now. We worry about getting the motor in, trans in, wiring everything up, getting them running, exhaust. And cause like I said on the majors, but the main thing what I'm gonna do on the back end while we waiting on all that, cause I wanna keep y'all waiting on content for that car. We're gonna do like I said, I'm stripping these insides out. I'm gonna go ahead and take these to Cornelius, let him do his thing to them, redo them, get them right. You know what I mean? Or I might just clean them and just re-down. That's what I think I'm gonna do, clean them and re-down. And cause I'm gonna repaint the car and I don't wanna do the interior twice. That's why I did the GP like that. I'm gonna dye that too. I probably keep them seats like they here for real in the GP and ride them till it's time to repaint and then just do my interior then. But we going with new carpet for right now. New carpet. You see Beethoven got hold of that. Chewed that shit all up. So we going with new carpet. We're gonna take these seats out. We're gonna clean that down. The headliner straight, but I'm gonna clean that too. Headline ain't even drooping, but she need to be clean. And then I do need these right here. Them to ride it out. So I got to find them pieces there. Yeah. New carpet. I'm gonna clean these door panels. Strip that motor. Get the AC box and heater coil box fixed. Get that right. Run my damn pedal. Gonna drill my hole out for my harness. And find out where I'm gonna put my ECU and all that there. I'm gonna find them spots there, all that and that. What else? Oh yeah. And beat all them little lips and whatnot. We gonna do all that and spray everything. All that going on. You know what I mean, that weekend, but we're gonna break everything up in segments. You know what I mean? 'Cause you know I'm gonna have to be out here working hard. And then if everything might not be the same day, it might be that Saturday and Sunday. Cause I work Friday and Saturday, but I get off early Saturday, so I'll be able to come out for a couple hours, do some, get up Sunday early, come back out here, do whatever else. You know what I mean? And we're gonna break that up in different segments, a different video. And drop it like that. Yeah. Drop down the comment, share the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We working on the 85, Cutlass, Cardi B, LS swapping. You know what I mean? Then we get the body work, man, over here. We gonna get that on the footage. We get to doing that, and getting the paint laid on it and whatnot. We're gonna get all that footage. So y'all gonna have some good content on this car. So if y'all trying to learn how to paint, y'all gonna see the paint man when he come over here do his thing. Y'all trying to learn how to do this swap. This is my first time doing the swap, but not my first time putting in no motor and trans and wiring down up. It's just my first time dealing with all these assets, running wires and fuel lines and all that. But ain't nothing I can't do, man. If you did something, you know, that's like that before, you can do something new. So I'm gonna try something new. Yeah, I done watched enough videos to go. I think I got it down pat. If not, I got a couple partners I can call. Tulu, 84. You know what I mean?
It's easy, nigga.
Is that smooth? There's a couple dudes I can call that went down this road. And they cause rolling, so.
And you know I keep it fly. Hey.
That's why I'm going ahead and going forward with it.
She make a whole group of hoe and shake her ass.
Still looking for a tune, man, but I'm get my own HP tuners. Y'all know I like wise and I like the prudent, so I learn how to tune myself. That's why I'm doing the swap first on my own, so I can do it on my GP after this. And then, like I said, I'm about another car, the Regal. I ain't buying now another car till I get that. As far as old school. Get the Regal, then I probably get me I'm gonna get me a box. I'm gonna get that for memory of my cousin. Money bag. Feel me? I gotta get a box.
Teach niggas how to get a bag. Help your ass, nigga.
Yeah.
Shit come in the trash bag, nigga.
That's what it is, though, man. Cardi B, the 85 Cutlass. New to that channel, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe, turn that notification bell on. You don't want to miss nothing we got over here coming, man. It might be some of my vehicles, it might be my brothers, it might be my cousin. Everybody that I know got old school. And then I got my partner Roscoe, he got the little shop down there on the boulevard. I meant to pull up on him down today when I went and dropped Dude off. Cause Dude mama stay right down the street. I could have pulled up on him, I know he about was there. Seen what he had going on. Probably could have got a little content down there. He got the El Camino, he got the T-type Regal. Shit, bro got so many cars, he got a lap. That nigga got so many cars, man. And he raised his, you know, so. And they race down that little strip. I might pull up down there though when I leave here. I don't know, I might do that. Get some footage for y'all. See what bro got going on. Let y'all check out his shop and his bills. If y'all want to too, y'all can check out his channel. He got a YouTube channel too, Alabama Rides. I forgot about that. My boy Roscoe, man. Yeah, man, y'all drop down in the comments, man. Y'all see how we coming. Y'all know we coming. Cause everything I told y'all I was gonna do for that grant, I did it. And everything I tell y'all I'm gonna do for this, I'm gonna do it. Y'all drop down that comment. Tell me what's happening. Holler back, cause I'm gonna holler back. Like the video. Share the video, turn the notification bells on. And you know what's happening. We gone.
Who is it? It's Sammy, man. Man, I ain't serving nobody on no, man. Nobody. Got me fucked up. Got a chop whooping dope up on the stove. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. When I get it, they'll tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 people. Got a chop whooping dope up on the stove. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. When I get it, they'll tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 people.